Hello everyone, hope you are all doing well. In this video I am going to discuss another sorting technique, that is selection sort. We'll be seeing the concept behind selection sort and we will see a code in C++ language to implement selection sort. So let's get started. Suppose this is the array given to us for sorting. It's containing 9, 7, 8, 6, 2. So we have to sort it in ascending order using selection sort. Selection sort consists of passes. There are several passes involved in selection sort, and in each pass a minimum element is selected and placed at its right position. So for pass 1 we are going to select the first element, first index of this array. So we will be finding the right element for the first index of the array. For doing so, we will search for the minimum element in whole array. Here in this case 2 is the minimum element, so it will get swapped with this 9. 2 will come here and 9 will go there. So after pass 1 our array will be 2 here, 7 at 8, 6 at their original position, and 9 will come here. So for pass 2 we are going to select next index 2, 7, 8, 6, 9. We are going to select this index. We will be searching the right element for this index. For doing so, we will search for the minimum index in this minimum element in this part of the array. Here in this case 6 is the minimum element, so it will get swapped with 7. So after pass 2 our array will be like this: 2, 6, 8, 7, 9. So for pass 3, 2, 6, 8, 7, 9, we will be selecting next element, that is 8. So here we will find the smallest element in this part of array. Here it is 7, so it will get replaced, it will get swapped with this value 8. 2, 6, 7, 8, 9. After pass 3 our array will be like this. Now for pass 4 we will be taking the output of this pass 3 and we will be selecting the element at the next index, that is 8. Now we are going to find the smallest element in this part of array. So already 8 is the smallest element in this part of the array and it is already placed in the index. That for that we are searching for an element, so it will get swapped with itself. Now after the pass 4 our array will be 2, 6, 7, 8, 9. So all these elements have already come to their right place in sorted array, and after doing this automatically the largest element will come at the last index. So we need to do pass 5 for this last element. So number of passes that are required to sort an array of length n is n minus 1. It is called selection sort. The name selection refers here we are selecting a smallest element again and again repeatedly, so it is called selection sort. Now we will be seeing a code to implement this selection sort.
Now I'm going to solve this problem named as selection sort of Code Studio. Here a function is given selection sort and we have to complete this function in which array and size of array is given as input, and we need not to take care about input and output, as it has been already taken care of. So here I am putting a for loop that is managing the passes. So it will run from the first index of the array till size of array minus 1 I plus plus. So first of all here I am defining a variable min index that will be equal to I. So first of all we are assuming that our first element is the minimum element, and if we find any element that is smaller than this element then we are going to swap it. So Here I'm going to put another for loop to find the minimum element in the given part of array. So it will start from the next element of I, that is I plus 1 j. It will run till n, length of array j plus plus. And this I'm going to compare if array min index means the element which we have assumed to be smallest becomes greater than element at array j. Then we will update our min index with j. Now after coming from this for loop, we are going to swap. So for swapping, I am taking this variable temp. It is going to, we are going to swap the array of min index with array of I. So array min index then array min index equal to array I and array I equal to temp. That's it, we are done. Now running this code, our sample test cases have been passed. Now submitting this code, it is working fine. So this is the code for selection sort. Hope you understand the concept of selection sort. Thank you.